weekday, I usually go to bed about 9 p.m. or 10 p.m.
Okay,
But
weekdays. How about weekends, Saturday and Sunday?
at the weekend, I think about 10 p.m. too.
10 p.m. too. Okay. So what time do you usually get up?
I get a weekday, I think 6:30, but at the weekday, Sunday I have class in the morning and I get up early about 6:30 too.
Okay. How? Okay. So in the weekdays, what time do you get up? There's a class. So you wake up at
Uh, Saturday, I think 8 o'clock because I had to relax.
hey. How about weekend? What time do you usually get up in the weekend?
I usually get on the weekend. Uh, Saturday, I can wake up at 8 a.m. and Sunday I have a class because so I get up early, 6:30.
Okay, 6:30. Have those time changed much since you were younger? So when you were younger, are those time changed much when you were younger?
Yeah, it's changing each year because I have many classes and the time change and much.
Okay, so we have vocabulary words. Okay, so we have here the word tend. It means to be likely, to do something, or to happen in particular way. Typical, it means having the usual qualities or features a particular type of person, thing, or group. Adolescence is the time in person's life he or she develops from a child into an adult. Alert, it means to warn somebody about dangerous situations. Alert, it means to warn somebody about dangerous situations. Next, we have stiff. It means difficult to bend or move. Stiff, it means difficult to bend or move. Okay, flexible, able to change to suit new conditions or situation. Okay, dip, it means to put something quickly into a liquid and take it out again. Increase, it means become greater, increase. Lung, either of the two organs in the chest that you use for breathing. Okay. A piece of body
Okay.
tissues that you make tight and relax in order to move a particular part of the body. Okay. Another is record the best result or the highest or lowest level that has ever been reached, especially in sports. Struggle to try very hard to do something when it is difficult or when there are a lot of problems. Digest to change food in your stomach. So when you try to eat something, you need to chew it and then you need to digest it properly. Effective. What do you mean by effective? It means producing the result that is wanted or intended, producing a successful result. Concentrations, the ability to direct all your effort and attention in one thing. So you should be, okay, you are in concentration. You try to concentrate.
Okay.
It decrease to become smaller in size, number, etc. Approach, a way of dealing with somebody or something. You have to approach. Oh, Please give me like this. Okay, please give me like that. Okay, you have to approach someone. Okay, so you're approaching someone. Okay. So we have here homonyms. Okay, what are homonyms?
Harmonies are words that have same spelling or pronunciation but a different meaning or part of speech. Bank, a pla one, a place where you keep money to the side of the river. Work
Okay,
one
yes.
now a
Homonyms
word.
are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meaning or part of speech, like bank. So when you see bank, okay, it could be first one, a place where you keep money. That's bank. Another bank, it's the side of the river. Okay, that's another meaning of bank. We have the same different meaning, but the spelling or the pronunciation of the word is the same. You will gonna pronounce it as bank. Walked. Okay,
Okay.
walk. It could be noun. Okay, or it could be a verb, action word. You walk. Okay, that is homonym. The same spelling or pronunciation, but different meaning or part of speech. Okay, look at this one. How much sleep do we need? Okay, look at the highlighted words in the, wait, look at the highlighted words in the article. What part of speech are they? Okay, what part of speech are they? Example, exercises. Look up this. This is the one, okay, look at exercises. Exercises is highlighted. What part of speech is that? It is verb. Okay, next one. Okay, you have show. Okay, please put here on all the highlighted word and tell me what kind of part of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb. Okay, go Tono.
Okay.
Yes, I will wait ha. Please tell me. Okay, done? Not yet.
I think K.
Okay, so where are the answers?
Okay.
Okay, what is the where did you put the answer? Okay, first
I think
is
first is the soul. I think it's um I think it's a noun.
a show. Okay, it is a verb. Another is work. What is work? It is a noun. Okay, actually, you can also use work as a verb, like you work hard or work means you do actions. Another is hard. Okay, what is hard? Hard is
Heart. I think active.
it is hard is
Active.
adjective. Okay, it is adverb. Okay. Another one is record. Okay, what do you mean? It is
Okay, me. Sorry.
a record is noun. Next is
Hurricane.
light. Yes or no? Are
Light
you there?
is a noun.
Okay, light it means
Na-
it's
Uh,
noun, correct. Okay. How about level?
level. I think is a noun too. I think around.
Next is and now next is rest. So what is rest?
Rest in this is now too. Or
Noun
a
too.
verb.
Yes, correct. Very good. So you can see in here the different part of speech with the adverb or adjective words. Okay, look at this one. The same story, huh? Look at this one. Please try to read the article to get an idea of the general meaning, which is the best summary, A, B, C, or D. Yeah, you read and tell me the best summary. Okay,
Okay.
you tell me. Or you can write at the beside.
Okay.
Okay, like read the article to get an idea of the general meaning, which is the best summary.
Okay.
Which of this that you think the best summary? A, B, C, or D? Okay, you have answer now? A, B, C. The writer's main purpose is to explain what? Okay, do you have your answer now? Itono, are you with me?
I think let us see.
Okay, letter C. Okay, you said, why our bodies feel more or less tired at different times of the day? Of
Sorry, I
course,
forgot.
yes. Okay, so of course, Tono, not every time that we are happy or we are sad or we are strong or we are weak. So most likely it changes every day. It changes our body. So yeah, correct. The answer is why our bodies feel more or less tired at different times of the day. Okay, match the paragraph A to
Okay.
H with the questions 1 to 10. Okay, can you match paragraphs A to H with the questions 1 to 10? Please write the letter of your choice. You write the
Okay.
letter of your choice below here. Okay? Beside, sorry, beside.
Yes.
Go, Tono. Thank you. Tell me if you're done. Oh no, we only have 2 minutes left. Okay, so do you completely stop digesting food? Please, Tono, await me, Tono, ha? Tono, we only have 1 minute and 44 seconds left. Okay, so Tono, I will give this one task 4. Let us continue tomorrow. I will give this one as homework. Please, tomorrow, what time do we have to 8 p.m. tomorrow? Can we have a class at 8 p.m. tomorrow? 8 p.m. p.m. Huh? Can we have class at 8 p.m. tomorrow? 8 p.m. Okay, so we will gonna have class at 8 p.m. tomorrow, Tono, and then we will continue this. I will take a screenshot for this one, and then I will send it to you. Okay? I will send it in the GC, the screenshot for this one. Okay, please try to answer this one, and we're gonna continue this tomorrow on task 4. Unit 3D. Okay, I will see you, Tono, tomorrow at 8 p.m. Teacher